What's up, YouTube? This is Forever Blackbird coming to you with another video. Today I am doing some more Christmas earrings. All I'm doing right here is I'm going to put Mod Podge over my images just to give it a little shine. Y'all, don't use that type of brush. That brush gave me hell. Find a better quality brush. I got that from the Dollar Tree. I mean, it did okay, but y'all don't use that brush. Also, guys, use a generous amount of Mod Podge. That way you can just go over your image one time. You don't got to keep putting 2, 3, 4 coats on it. Use a generous amount of Mod Podge. And be careful, as you can see right there, the image will smear if you go over it a lot of times. So, like I said, just use a generous amount of Mod Podge the first time. That way you don't have to worry about your image smearing. Okay, right here I am about to do a tassel. I just grabbed the first thing I saw, y'all, to wrap this yarn around, and it happened to be my rhinestone case. So actually it was a nice size, nice length, so I stuck with that and it came out pretty good. But I'm just wrapping the yarn around this rhinestone case. I think I did it 15 times. After you finish wrapping that tassel around there, you slide that bad boy off there like that. You add that jump ring to it, and you almost finished with the tassel. I like to add this diamond wrap around where we wrapped it at. I don't know, it gives it a little bit more bling and it looks better. But this process is totally optional. Okay guys, that one tassel is done. I did the other one off camera. Now I'm working on, this is something new that I'm trying. So if y'all see it anywhere else, know that Forever Blackbird came up with it. These is like some little cheap Dollar Tree pom-poms, the little ones. Getting some thread, and I'm gonna put some beads, and I'm gonna have it similar to like a tassel, but with the beads and the pom-pom. Y'all will see. I'm not even gonna lie, I struggled with this. It's probably an easier technique, but this was my first time trying it. I tried using some thread and a needle, but the hole on the bead was too small to go through the needle, so then I had to take the needle off, and it was a process. So like I said, it probably was an easier way to do this, but I just made it difficult. But at the end, it turned out pretty okay. Okay guys, after adding that jump ring to it, I noticed that it was a space, in between the beads. That's why I'm going in with the diamond wrap, just to fill in the space, cover up the space. I didn't like the opening in between the beads, so that's why I'm going in with the diamond wrap. Okay guys, now moving on to the feathers. Those are I can't think of the name of them, but they like the fold over cord ends. They supposed to go on like some necklaces, like the end of necklaces, but I use it to hold my feathers on, and it works pretty good. So this all I'm doing, just putting the clamps on the end of the feathers, and I'm gonna connect them to my earrings. Easy process. Okay guys, this is another easy process. I'm just adding the Mod Podge to my wooden shape, and then I'm connecting my image to the wooden shape. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, now that all my shapes is glued on, I'm gonna go in with my tool, and I will be burning holes in the top and the bottom. I'll be burning the hole at the bottom to put my feathers and my tassels and stuff in, and the top, the hole goes for your earring hooks. While I'm waiting for my tool to get hot, I'm cutting the excess paper off of my earrings. With me, I make my images a little bit bigger. I'd rather for my image to be bigger than to be smaller when I put them on my shape. Okay guys, right here I will be putting diamond wrap around the edge of my earrings because I don't like for my wood to show. Guys, do not use this glue. This is that craft glue from the Dollar Tree. I will tell you that I did go back with some super glue off camera I went back in with super glue and I glued the diamond wrap on my earring with super glue. This glue, it will work, but it takes a long time for it to dry. And I was doing this video and I did not have the extra time to sit there and wait for this glue to dry. Now if you got like an hour or so to maybe glue it up there and set it to the side and wait for it to dry, I mean, you can use it, but I didn't have the hour or two to sit here and wait for that glue to dry. So I did go back in with the super glue and did it that way. Now I'm just adding the tassels and the feathers to the bottom of the earrings with the jump rings. Guys, out of my 3 pair of earrings that I did today, these were my favorite. Maybe because they're different, you know. I got some that got feathers on them. I got some that got, you know, tassels on them. But these is the first pair that I did with the beads and the little pom-pom. So far, these are my favorite. Won't y'all comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite out of these 3 pair. And of course, you know, I had to add a little bling, a little rhinestones to it. Once again, guys, this glue, this craft glue from the Dollar Tree, I mean, it's good. I think I might have cut the hole in it too big and it came out too much. But I wouldn't recommend this glue for putting rhinestones on. But I did use it for the first side. But when I did the other side, I did use super glue. So like I said, this glue is okay, but me personally, when it comes to putting rhinestones on, I prefer super glue, or you can use Mod Podge too. Mod Podge, you know, just put a thin layer over it and just put the rhinestones on the Mod Podge. But me personally, if it's like a light color like this right here, I would use super glue. Be careful with the super glue because sometimes when the super glue dries, it's white. So you gotta be careful with that too. Don't use too much super glue. All you need is a little dot. On to my second pair of earrings, which is the Christmas box using the feathers. All you do is connect both feathers with one jump ring and connect it to the earring. Real simple. Of course, you see me adding them rhinestones using that super glue. I told you I love super glue. It's so easy and it's fast. Like, you know, super glue dry like that. So love the super glue. That's why I'm using super glue. On to my last pair, adding that super glue around the wreath, just putting some rhinestones going around in a circle around that wreath. And then I'm adding the tassel at the end, and that will be basically it. this is the last process, guys. Just adding earring hooks to the earrings. Because I had already burnt that hole in there, I had to go in and cover the hole up with a yellow or a gold rhinestone. I just put some glue around the burnt hole, and I'm just adding the rhinestone to it just to cover it up. And that is it, guys. I want to say thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I appreciate you all.